Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely wonderfully spooky day. Today we're going to be unboxing another Etsy Halloween mystery box. I have to be honest, I thought that this was going to come in a much larger box than it is. So I'm very curious as to what I paid for because it's super duper light as well. So I had this whole idea, hang on, that I would go onto Etsy and find Halloween mystery boxes and we would unbox them here. I ended up spending like $150 on 3 boxes. This one is the second most expensive one out of the bunch that I bought. So my very first one, I will put it up here in the cards. I'll also have it linked down below, probably at the end of this video, whatever. So you don't need to click away right now. That one was called the Spooky Doodle Club Spooky Mystery Box. It was $19.99. This one is $23 and it's from a much smaller brand or person on Etsy called Treaks. It's called the Little Spooky Mystery Box. The shipping was cheaper, so my overall total was a couple cents cheaper than the Spooky Doodle Club one. But this one being a much smaller, I think it said, well, let me pull it up real quick. All right, so the shop has had 65 sales, 33 reviews, all 5.0. The reason why I really love this one was because it was actually personalized for you, which I thought was so cool. So now swiping through it, I could kind of see that there are some apparel, stickers, small items, the opportunity for some personalization, like this looks like a little stash jar. This is Goosebumps on it. I was asked what my name was or my preferred name, so I did have to tell her Chrissy. So I'm wondering if there's going to be something that says my name. And then there are stickers all over the box. It just says like gore, a spooky skeleton. So kind of still like adding the vibe on the outside. I really love that about Etsy, honestly, is that every single person who sells is the owner of their business for the most part. Like the people who sell, they're the business owner and they care so much and they just tend to put like so much extra effort into it, you know? Right on the top here, we have a little thank you card and it has a pin attached to it. Beetlejuice, it's a Beetlejuice pin. I absolutely love that. Did I have to fill out the survey for this one? Hang on. There was one of these that I had to fill out a survey for, but I didn't think it was this one. Oh my God, it was. That is even better. After I had ordered it, Finn, the owner, had messaged me asking if this was going to be a gift for myself or for a friend. What are some of your favorite spooky movies or shows? List off as many as you would like and let me know your absolute faves, and then gave some examples. What are your favorite colors? What's your style? Do you like classic Halloween, witchy style, cute kawaii style, horror style? I replied with, my favorite movies are It, Pet Sematary, Child's Play, Halloween, Texas Chainsaw, Gremlins, Blair Witch, Beetlejuice, Poltergeist, movies like that. Blue, black, and gray are my fave colors. Classic Halloween more than cutesy Halloween. I love like bats, spiders, spooky things, and horror. I don't like vampires or werewolves. Wow, for so cheap, this is like, I'm kind of really digging it. So right on top, we have a magnet, a classic baby doll, like kind of that creepy but really cute baby doll style. Love. And then everything kind of came like wrapped in a little bundle here, all cute. And there's a couple things kind of out of here as well. So I have a blow pop, and in the bottom I have some of the crinkle colors, and there's like little cutouts that say like horror. The thing that I want to grab that's already hanging out the top, these are really cool. Okay, at first they look like they would be pretty or cutesy. They're nail decals, but do you see that they have like a bird skull and snakes? They're like cute, but they're not. And oh, I guess the purple ball is a fortune teller ball, and the moon and stars. That's really cool. I personally do love nail stickers. I find them to be the fastest way to get an amazing manicure, and they tend to actually last quite a bit of time. And if you have some weak ass nails, putting on some nail stickers will actually strengthen them a bit. Well, it's not going to strengthen them. It's going to let you grow them a little bit longer without them breaking because this hardens decently well. So not that we needed to know that right now, but let's see the next thing. Oh my God, it is. I love this. It is a personalized name sticker, and I love that it's in this like creepy font, but it's like black holographic actually. I don't even know if the camera can catch that. Like a nice holographic kind of shift to it, but it is one of those Cricut ones, so I can go ahead and put it, well, this one already says my name on it, but I can probably find one of my plain mugs downstairs or one of my plain glasses and stick this on one of those. I don't know for sure if it's, I wonder if it says on here, if it's like a waterproof proof. I didn't look. I high-buyed this, so I kind of looked, but then again I didn't. Small tricks, cute treats, spooky trinkets, and collectibles. Perfect present or care package. The customizable full mystery box will come with approximately 4 to 6 spooky themed gifts plus small goodies and trinkets, and a Q&A will be sent to you after your order so I can personalize your box. T-shirts, wine glasses, keychains, stash jars, etc. can be customized to your favorite gory spooky movies and shows. Always open to answer any questions. Shipping is included in the price. I don't think shipping was included in the price. I'll be completely honest there. I'm almost positive I paid $3 and something for shipping, but I kind of don't care. Don't really fully expect a small business on Etsy to foot the bill on the shipping. I don't mind when a corporation does it. I want them to give me free shipping, but like an Etsy shop doesn't need to give me free shipping. Next, I have this large thing. It is my favorite movie of all time. It was my favorite scary movie as a kid. I've watched the VHSs. It comes on 2 VHSs because I'm that old, over and over and over again. I could probably recite the entire movie. But this is pretty cool. It says, Mr. King presents Pennywise the Dancing Clown. Come see it. They all float down here, and it's Dairy Maine performance every 27 years, all summer 1989. Fresh-arama limited edition scent. It's called Culture Air Fresheners. I can't smell anything right now. I'm so congested. This happens every spring and fall. So it officially became fall, 2 days ago? And I am already congested. Oh, it smells, it smells kind of a bit like clean laundry. That's really nice. Probably a universally loved scent. And then I think we have 2. No way. This is a Pennywise Lego set. Do you see his face? That is the sweetest thing in the entire world. And this one is Michael Myers. Look at his face, his hair up there. He even has a knife. I'm not into collecting pop art, pop culture-y type things at all, but horror mini Lego figurines might actually be it for me. Like this might have just sparked something in me to collect all these little things. Next, we have a pack of 5 cards and a glow stick. This feels very like vintagey. I don't know if there's a way to tell like the date or something on it, but it feels so old. Even just like the packaging, the print and everything on it actually feels really old. It's a Beetlejuice deck of cards. I kind of feel bad opening it, but I'm opening it. I told my kids yesterday, they're only 6 and 8 years old, that I wanted them to watch Beetlejuice, but maybe it's not, I don't know, maybe it's not a good idea. You know, when I was a kid, I always thought that it was like an absolutely amazing movie. And I think that as an adult, and I haven't watched it as an adult, I would probably find like all of the very adult themed things in it, which actually sounds like a blast right now. Maybe I will do that. So you have a sticker as like the top or the first thing. I don't know if I've ever like purchased a deck of cards, like collectible cards or anything. This one says Beetlejuice strikes again, and on the back it goes over like a story. Bertha and Prudence are terrified by the gnarly spooky old tree. Lydia has convinced them that it's really a great tree that contains no monsters. As the girls peer into the darkness of the hollow, 2 glowing eyes appear over Beetlejuice's evil spooky grin. Beetlejuice strikes again. So it's like a little story on the back of each of these. Where's the sheriff? And this is card number 23, and it does the same thing where it goes over a story on the back. Then we have Waiting Room Weirdos. This is card 74. So there is like a, I don't know, a collectability, I guess, to these. Neither World Rock Stars. That one sounds cool. And then the last one is Loosen Up. These just feel very classic, and I don't know shit all about this, but I feel like they are. I think we're getting down to potentially the very last thing in here. And this is like a little pop art guide too. Pint size heroes, horror heroes. So you get to open it up and see what we have. No way! I absolutely love Gremlins. So there were so many options. So we have Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger, Pennywise, Gremlin, Chucky, Hellraiser, Carrie, Beetlejuice, Morticia, like tons of classic Halloween characters. And yeah, and I got Stripe from Gremlins. This is another movie I feel like I should let my kids watch, but maybe not. Actually, definitely not. Quick story. My parents were very strict growing up, and so I wasn't allowed to watch like Beavis and Butthead. For some reason I was allowed to watch Ren and Stimpy, but I wasn't allowed to watch Dinosaurs, if you remember that. Like, what is it? Not the Mama.
Not the Mama. Not the Mama. Not the Mama.
but I was allowed to watch any horror movie I wanted in the dark up past midnight on a school night. My mom's not even into horror movies. I don't know what it is that she was totally okay with my obsession with horror movies as a kid. My ADHD took us there. I don't know where I was going with that, but this was such like a feel-good nostalgic box for me. That was pretty badass, honestly. So my last box, the Spooky Doodle Club one, was really cool. Also like hand curated, custom, like kind of put together, and also really good price. Like in the end, this cost like $28, so did that one. But this one just delivered something that was like an entirely different feeling. I have like things that are very reminiscent, nostalgic of my childhood and my love for horror, but also like having it personalized like this and having little activities. Like it was a surprise to be able to open up this and having little Legos to build and the card deck and doing my nails and having this sticker again. I'm absolutely in love with the sticker. I can't wait to put the sticker on something. So I do have one more Halloween box to unbox, and it's a massive one. The next one that I have, I'll show you the outside of it. The last one that I have is this gigantic box. It was $75, and it's like the ultimate mystery horror box. And as far as I can recall, zero personalization, nothing at all like this, but quite the jump in price. I'm not gonna have time to get to this today. If you do wanna see this unboxing, please consider hitting subscribe before you leave. Turn on notifications so you do get notified when I post this sometime next week. Yeah, I guess that's everything that I have for you guys today. Of course, I will leave the shop's link down below for you all. Thank you so damn much for being here. I truly, truly, truly do appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.